What's going on? This is the marvelous one, the stock man. Please like, subscribe, tell everybody about the stock man. Hey, we in 2025, everybody, and I do mean everybody, the working class, the educated, uh, high income earners, uh, middle class people, low income earners, we're going to have to get with the program. The rules of the game has changed, okay? Uh, this new administration that's in office, that took office on January the 20th, they have one thing in on their minds, and that is to make sure that big business is able to make money for the share owners. So a lot of people, when the stock market goes up, a lot of people really don't get to participate in the stock market. A lot of you indirectly through your 401s get to participate, and that's a great thing. But there's so many other people who, when they hear the stock market is going up, first of all, they have no clue what the stock market is, don't really care. Well, that needs to stop. You know, people need to really start to see what's going on, because 2025 just brought in a new era. It's going to be a lot of stuff happening. Artificial intelligence is going to take over. It's going to eliminate a lot of jobs. It's going to add some jobs, but it's going to eliminate a lot of the jobs that the vast majority of people are used to doing. Okay? And artificial intelligence, this administration just announced, along with Oracle, company named Oracle, the gentleman that owns Oracle, the administration just announced that they are going to be making a $500 billion investment into the infrastructure of artificial intelligence. And a lot of people will take that information with a grain of salt, be like, so it doesn't affect me. But you need to make sure that you are affected, and affected by becoming a share owner, by understanding that the stock market is and will always be the greatest wealth creator on earth for the time being, because I believe that Bitcoin and crypto is going to pass that up in the very near future. But everybody needs to be educating themselves on the stock market, educating themselves on how the stock market works, paying more attention to your 401 plan, seeing what you invested in. Within a 401 plan, they normally put you in mutual funds and index funds, okay? They usually put you in something that tracks the S&P 500, something like a SPY or VOO. They also kind of give you a mix of bonds, short-term and long-term bonds. And back in the day, that was cool. I mean, you were able to, you know, keep pace with the market. But with inflation and keeping pace with the market, 10 to 12%, it puts you behind the curveball still. Fortunately, for the last couple of years, people have been able to see their 401s go up between 15 to 28, roughly 30%. But you know what happens when you have a 2-year run of getting the type of returns like that? The average have to make sense. So I believe this year is going to be another strong year, but I see 2026 and 2027 as being those years. It's going to be very, very, very hard on the S&P 500 as an index. But I still think that there will be great opportunities as a stock picker. For those who are not participating in the stock market, and this is not financial advice, and you don't have a 401, and you may think that you don't make enough money, yes, you can still participate in the stock market. You have to get with a brokerage company, somebody like a Fidelity, and set up a brokerage account or set up an IRA account if you have a job, and or a Roth account through Fidelity, and set that brokerage account up. Go in and do the work. It's going to ask you a lot of personal information. Put that information in, because everybody, have to put that information in so you can get your brokerage account set up. Go to fidelity.com. Fidelity.com. It's a legacy brokerage firm. Or if you don't want to go with Fidelity, may want to try Charles Schwab. But I like Fidelity, because the reason why I like Fidelity is you can buy fractional shares, okay? So a lot of people say, well, I don't have no money to invest. Oh, yes, you do. You just don't know how to do it, and there's nobody out there telling you how to do it. Well, I'm the stock man, and I'm here to educate and try to inform and try to change your mindset and inspire you that, yes, you can. You can start investing in the stock market. Like I said, Fidelity.com will allow you to do this. Set up a brokerage account. You can set up a traditional IRA, or you can set up a Roth IRA. A traditional IRA, you can put that money in, and it'll help you out on your taxes as your money grow. A Roth IRA, you put that money in after taxes, so that money will grow for you tax-free. Some of the things that people say, well, what can I invest in? And, for $25 a week, or all I have is $10, $15. I give you two great ETFs. And ETFs are baskets of stocks that cover different sectors. One of the great ones that I love is V as in Victor, VTI. VTI, that's the total stock market. So by making a $5, $10 investment every time you get $5 and $10, you can do this through Fidelity. You'll be buying fractional shares of this ETF. This gets you exposed to the stock market and get you into the rhythm of putting money into an asset, putting money into the stock market. So yes, VTI is the total stock market. You can put $5, $10, $15. Every time you get $15, $10, $5. And then of course you want to bump that up as you get extra money. Tax returns, you want to put some money in there with tax returns if you get any money back from your taxes. And you just want to make sure that if you're not making enough money, that you sacrifice. You make sacrifice. If you was going to spend $100 to go out to eat or go to the movies, stay in and take that $100 and open up your brokerage account and put that money into something like a VTI and get started. Because the new flex now, moving forward, is not the trophies, it's not the materialistic things. The research shows that a lot of people are deep in credit card debt, and a lot of people are starting to default on these large car loans, and a lot of people are sweating because of high interest rates and may have brought too much house. So the new flex is investments, it's buying assets. And this channel, the Stockman channel, what we do is I tell you some of the stocks and some of the plays that I'm invested in, and I try to educate you, and I try to inspire you, and I try to get you to change your mindset. Your mindset. It all starts with your mindset. You have to have a mindset of saying, hey, I need to start having my money work for me as I go and work for my money. Because if you get that type of mindset and do that long enough, then one day you won't have to trade your time for money, because your investments and your assets will allow you to stay at home and they're working for you. Okay? And that's the main thing. Wealth is all about your health and about your time and about your family. Okay? And starting in 2025, we really need to change our mindset, and I'm gonna try to do my part. And I always tell people, look, man, usually people talking like this are multi-millionaires. I'm not no multi-millionaire. I'm just like you. I have a lot of information. I do a lot of research. I've been doing it for years, and I want to share it. I want to give back. I want to try to inspire you to get invested, to take this stuff serious, because we are into a time in the United States and across the world that if you don't have assets, you're going to be left behind. Hey, like and subscribe to this channel. Tell everybody about the Stockman. Share this channel. Tell people about the Stockman. Subscribe. Leave me some comments. Let me know what's going on with your mindset, how I can help you, because that's what I want to do. Hey, thanks for watching. And as always, I'm the marvelous one, the Stockman. Peace.